got 1.7 million members.
Yes.
How do you regionalize? How do you localize?
Fantastic question. So there's two things, right? So we have 1.7 million members on this side of the platform, and we have 160 plus customers and growing that are launching challenges which are essentially interesting problems onto the Top Coder platform. So that's the two-sided ecosystem. So what we're going to be doing is you can ring fence that community if you want. You can say, I want to curate and launch a member community in region APMEA, region Middle East, or Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And that's what we're going to do for Kingdom. We're going to be launching Top Coder as topcoder.sa as an instance or a tenant where Kingdom is a tenant, and all the citizens of the Kingdom can potentially become the members and start to train, start to get mentored, and start to essentially apply for challenges that may be coming internationally from the best universities or these 160 companies we talked about, or from within or from businesses that are already doing business in the Kingdom and want to tap into this local Kingdom. This could potentially become that fertile ground of talent, because it's what we do. We connect the customers on one end and members, and when I say members, these are developers, data scientists, UX designers, full stack developers on the other end, and we connect them, whether specifically for a specific talent requirement or for solving for interesting problems, algorithmic problems, data science problems, UX problems.